Introduce the panel members. Thank you so much.
Good morning. On behalf of Shanti Gears and the exhibitors here, I welcome you to the roundtable discussion. We thought to take this industry forward and to mature this industry, we need a lot of new thoughts, new ideas from the various stakeholders in this industry. And to give a shape to that, we thought a roundtable discussion with some of the key people in this industry would help. I'll start with introducing the moderator. He's a person you all know, and he is the it would not be unfair if I say he is the Dayan of Indian industry. And one thing I can say about him, he has spent more time for the industry than he has spent for his own company. That speaks about his commitment for this industry. I welcome Mr. Sulaiman Jamal to be the moderator. You will need to take the center seat so that to give us an outside-in perspective, there could be no better person than Mr. Joe Franklin. He needs no introduction. He has been here for the last two shows, and he is here. And with knowledge of the American gear market, I am sure he has a lot to share with us. Welcome, sir. Welcome, Mr. Joe Franklin. The industry cannot survive without the machinery suppliers, without the machinery suppliers bringing new technologies. And one of the key members from that stakeholder group is Mr. Sundarajan, who is the director of Gleason Works. I welcome Mr. Sundarajan to take a seat in the panel. Not the least, this industry is greatly influenced by the consultants for putting up the factories, the various equipments, the gearboxes that are selected. So we thought one of the industry which is undergoing change in this market is the sugar industry, which is using a lot of planetary gears, and we see that as a major step that is happening in the industry. And one person who is in the forefront of doing that is Mr. M.S. Sundaram, who is the Managing Director of J.P. Mukherjee and Associates out of Pune. Welcome, sir. We also want to hear the technical view from the technical side, and to this, we think the best person to represent this point of view would be Mushtaq Jamal from Bevel Gears, India. And he is also representing our country in AGMA in the next generation of, to take us to the next generation of gears. So there will be no better person to bring the technical perspective to this industry, none other than Mr. Mushtaq Jamal. I welcome you to the podium, sir. I welcome Dr. Sriram Srinivasan, who comes from the manufacturing side. You know, most of the stakeholders have been covered, but the manufacturer side needs to be covered. So I welcome Dr. Sriram Srinivasan. Dr. Sriram Srinivasan, to give a brief idea, is an IITian from Chennai. He did his master's in University of North Carolina, worked in the NASA labs before returning to the country, had been with the TVS Group, the Rane Group, and before joining the Murugappa Group, he was the Executive Director with Saint-Gobain. Welcome, sir. Welcome to this podium. To represent on the supply side, we want to bring Mr. Mohan Kalyanaraman, who is the head of engineering and technical in QME. Just to give he needs to bring the perspective from the grinding side as to what are the improvements that is coming to this industry. Welcome, Mr. Mohan Kalyanaraman. Okay. We need a chair here. Yeah, is there. One more person we would like to invite, more from the project execution side, Mr. D.S. Nigam, Director Projects from JP Mukherjee. When all the engineering is done, the manufacturing is completed, it goes to the field, and does it really work? So to give a perspective on that, the problems that are faced, I invite Mr. Nigam to join the panel. Thank you, sir. And this group with Mr. Sulaiman Jamal, I think I need to take my place out there, and I'll leave you with the topic. The topic is, how do we become self-reliant in the gear technology? That is the topic. And in this, let us cover various ideas to mature this industry, train this industry, learn from the best practices in the Western market, the American and the European markets. Some of the pitfalls that we have today may also come out, and probably some solutions we could find in this forum. So all the very best, and we hope to hear from you, sir. Thank you very much.
Good morning. My name is Sulaiman Jamal, and I am the Managing Director of Bevel Gears India, which is in Bangalore. I thought before we get into the main part of the program, where you got all these fine gentlemen over here, hopefully before we are done, we can keep it nice, short and sweet. Before we are done, we would jointly come up and see and make some kind of a roadmap and pretty much put together what we heard Dr. Sriram say a few words, we heard Mr. Joe Franklin. So one thing I do believe that we would arrive at is to know that India is not only on the map, but it's going to be very, very rapidly at the top of the pyramid. This is something which we have seen happening over the years. And before I bring all the other people into play, I thought I'll just say a few words. And for this, I'm going to have to wear 3 different hats. One, as the owner of a gear industry myself. The other, as a member of the board of directors of AGMA. And the last one, pretty much as one of you. Now, as an individual gear manufacturer,